How to fix Facebook Messenger notification not working. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook Messenger notifications, then first of all, open up your settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and you can go for see all apps. And after opening your messenger, now you can simply go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now you can go back, and then you can go for notifications, which is on the first option. And now if you have turned off your notifications on your messenger, then you have to simply turn that on, and after turning on your notifications, your problem might be fixed. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So open up your Play Store, and then go for the search bar, and then search for Messenger. And after searching, here if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Messenger application. And after updating, many of your problems might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.